Now we're going to talk about 2x plus 1 minus 32x. How do we do it? Solution. What's the solution? What's the solution? Now 2x plus 1 minus 32x is equals to 0. Now how do we solve it? We take this to this side, it becomes positive. Now we arrange. How do we do? We say 2x plus 1 is equals to 32x. Alright, going forward, what do? We give each exponent its own base. Exponential law. Exponential law. Now how do we do it? Say 2x 1 is equals to 32x. Alright, going forward, what do? We say 2 and then we say 2x. 2 to the multiply by 2 to x is equals to 2x plus 2 1. Alright, so what do we do after? Now we say 2x is equals to 2x. We multiply both sides by 2x. Multiply by 2x. Now 2 cancel this 2x. Now 2 is equals to 32x divided by 2x. So what do? Now, according to the exponential law, we say ax divided by bx is equivalent or is equals to a over b x. Exponential law. Exponential what? Exponential law. So we come here and then we say 2 is equals to 32x divided by 2x. Again, after we say is the same as 32 divided by 2 bracket x. And then what do we say after this? We say 2 is equals to, this is equals to 9 divided by 2 all together to x. What do we do after this? We introduce logarithm. So how do we introduce logarithm? Now 9 over 2 x is equals to 4.5 x. This is equals to this. So how do we solve this? Then we say 2 is equals to 4.5 x. We say logarithm log. So how do you introduce log? We say log 2 is equals to log 4,5 x. Okay, so y. Now we say log AB BA is equivalent to A log B. I hope you understand me. So how do we say that? How do we say that this log BA is equals to log AB log AB? So what do we say? And then we say log 2 is equals to x log 4,5. We divide both sides by log 4,5 log 4,5. Now x is equals to a, this cancel this, log 2 divided the log 4,5 log 4,5. So this is our answer. So we want to prove that this is equals to this. How do we prove that? How do we prove this is equals to this? So let's go to another page. Let's go to another page. We'll say x is equals to log 2 divided log 4,5. Now what do? We press our calculator. Press your calculator. Now the value of x is equivalent to, the value of x is equivalent to 0.46. Now let's go to our original equation. Original equation. To do what? To prove that this is equivalent to this. Now we're going to say 2x plus 1 minus 2x is equals to 0. 2x plus 1 is equals to 2x. And then what do we say? Whenever you see x, put the value that is equivalent to, put this value whenever you see x. Where do you see x? We say 0 plus 0,46 plus 1 is equals to 0,46. What do we say after this? Then we say closer to. What do we say? We say 1,46. This is 1 is almost as 1,46. Equivalent to 3. 2 times 0,46 is equals to 0,92. When you press your calculator, the answer is, on this side is 2,75. On this side is 2,75. So our answer, the value of x is 0,46. I hope you understood. Thank you.